This project came to life when the homeowners here had unusable backyard space. The slope from the back of their house to the bottom is a very severe slope. Originally, when the design team reached out about it, there was going to need to be several retaining walls, and they also wanted something more natural and appealing to the eye to go in with this really nice timber setting backyard. We showed them the Rosetta Outcropping block, and that's really the direction that they went for this great project.
It was our first time installing it. It's a little bit different install, so that was definitely something different with the hooks and everything.
Yeah.
And each wall has a different use. This one's holding back a lot of earth. The one up top's holding up a driveway. And there's some middle layers that aren't very tall. The nice thing about this was we were able to apply each wall in every different application we needed. So if we needed structure or needed aesthetics, we could build it in a way that would work.
The difference between the natural stone product and the Rosetta Outcropping is you have all the texture from the wet cast and the color that we make in a facility where you control the environment. And so it really keeps our concrete and our mix and our production all dialed in. And the very cool thing about this project is from the design, there's like 9 to 11 walls on this project. The contractor to put them in beforehand knew exactly what product he needed before installation. That helps with the quote, that helps with the delivery, pricing that out to the homeowner. And then at the end of the day, they have a paint by number, color coordinated roadmap, if you will, to install it. So the advantages to a product like that, I feel, are really great.
I love this, how you guys meander the wall up, step it up in grade, create like a planting area and kind of bring it back down. It adds just another layer of a kind of uniqueness and element of design. How important is a product like this in terms of like really hitting the overall goal of what you're trying to do with the design?
Yeah, the uniqueness is a big part of it. I mean, the Rosette Outcropping is all about texture as far as I'm concerned. I mean, it's the shadowing, the natural stone texture on it, but especially when it steps up into an area like that where we don't need a patio above or a lawn space.
Yeah.
And it still carries that same characteristic through it. It's really nice.